My friends and I, there we are, recently went to Overhead Door. Overhead Door has pioneered the industry, inventing the first upward acting door in 1921. Today, they build commercial and residential upward acting doors. Some of the products they build here in Williamsport are thermocore doors, sectional aluminum doors, and full vision aluminum doors. We learned that the core values are people, customers, integrity, health and safety, quality results, social responsibility, communication, and teamwork. We talked to some of the employees to find out what they liked best about working at Overhead Door.
I enjoy working at Overhead Door. It's a good company. I enjoy running machinery and making things with my hands.
Every day is a new challenge. All kinds of things to learn, keeps your mind going. It's an experience.
I like working here because when you work in this kind of environment, you work with the same people every day, and it's like it's almost like a second home. It's like a family. So it's cool being part of that, and it's cool getting to know everyone on a personal level and just being comfortable with who you work with.
So what's so cool about manufacturing?
Well, you know you're building for different companies and different people, and you get to learn different products.
The product that we make, I enjoy going around in my travels and seeing the product on buildings that I am part of a professional team to make, and it makes me very proud to look at this product and say that I was part of a team.
What's cool about manufacturing is you get to see the whole process of how things are made. You get to see it from the start to the finish, and you get to troubleshoot everything along the way, and through that then we don't get to see where it goes most of the time, but when we do, it's cool to see, you know, it was on a steel coil over there, and now it's up on someone's house over here. It's just a cool thing to be a part of, to see how things are made and you get to make them.